We're told that in this question, each of the factors of 100 is placed in a 3 by 3 grid, one per cell, in such a way that the products of the three numbers in each row, column, and diagonal are all equal. Positions of the numbers 1, 2, 50, and x have already been put on the diagram. From this piece of information, we're told that the products of the three numbers in each row are all equal. Also, the column and diagonal products are all equal. But therefore, the product of each row is equal to a similar number, the same number, which we're going to call y. We're going to give this value the property of y. We also know that if we multiply the product of all the rows, we get y, which is multiplying the first row by y, which is multiplying by the second row, by y, the third row. And this will give us a value of y cubed. Now recall that all the factors of 100 are put in this 3 by 3 grid once per cell. Therefore, y cubed is also equivalent to the product of all the factors of 100. These are all the integers that multiply by each other to give us 100. Therefore, our factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, and 100. So in this box here, I've written down all the 9 factors of 100, and I've also factorized each one of them. Factorizing is typically a very powerful technique to answer these types of questions. And within this question especially, it's going to be very helpful. Remember, y cubed is equal to all the cells in the grid multiplied by each other. And it is equivalent to multiplying all these factors together. So using the factorized values of each number, we can rewrite y cubed as 2 to the power of 9 multiplied by 5 to the power of 9. Therefore, y, which again would be equal to the product of the row and the column, would equal the cubed root of this number here, which we found by multiplying all the factors, and that would give us as y being equal to 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3. Now, doing a simple calculation, we can work out 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 1,000. Therefore, x multiplied by 1 multiplied by 50 is equal to 1,000, and the only value that satisfies x in this scenario would be 20. Alternatively, you could factorize 50 as 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2, and realize that we're trying to find a value that multiplies with 2 times 5 to the power of 2 to equal 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3, and realize we would need to find the value that would be equivalent to 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5, which is 20. Alternatively, you could do that method, which to some people may be a bit easier and help them save on time, but either method do. But regardless, we get to the final answer of x being 20, as demonstrated here.